is Stick Fly by Lydia Diamond in the role of Cheryl. You don't have anything else to say. That's it. 4 years, 18 years, what's the difference? Why didn't you know you didn't want me? You didn't recognize me. 18 years ago I was a baby. I've seen the pictures. I was cute. I was really cute. And you still couldn't see me or love me or want me? How come you couldn't see yourself in my eyes? How come you couldn't look at me and know that you were out here to protect me? Like it just didn't matter. And you still don't see me. Me! Your daughter. You know, the first man to love you is supposed to be your father. You were supposed to love me first and best, and how can anyone else love me right if you couldn't even love me first? And I'm thinking, I'm mad at the white girl because she took my men. But she didn't. They just don't see me. And I'm thinking, I don't like Taylor because she's trying so hard to be seen, but I don't like her because she's like me. She got the same holes in her. But all this time it was you. I deserve to be seen.